Xiaomi 14T Pro specifications, leaked features and release date. Xiaomi 14T Pro specs, release date, design, concept, preview, features, review, news, rumors. Xiaomi, the brand that is known for its best smartphones, is going to release a new model in 2024. This phone will definitely be well, which is an upcoming smartphone. Introducing the new Xiaomi 14T Pro upcoming smartphone idea. The Xiaomi 14T Pro is a super powerful smartphone. Best of all, it's coming soon. This new model has everything you need. The features will blow your mind. So, you should check out the amazing features, price, rumors, leaks, and also release date. We hope you will stay with us and continue reading this article. Xiaomi 14T Pro full specifications. Display. Xiaomi is a new company in the smartphone market. It has launched a gadget with a 6.9 inches Super AMOLED full touchscreen display, which is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7. The Xiaomi 14T Pro is both stylish and powerful. Its impressive display resolutions of 1440 by 3200 pixels. Camera. Xiaomi's new phone has a quad rear camera that includes a 250MP primary lens plus 32MP ultra-wide lens plus 16MP wide sensor plus 5MP depth sensor. For selfie, it has a 64MP camera and a flashlight. It supports many networks, including GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Battery. The Xiaomi phone comes with a 5700 mAh polymer-type non-removable battery for its long-time service. It will be very helpful to quickly charge the smartphone and take it to 100% of performance in a short time. RAM and ROM. The Xiaomi upcoming phone 14T Pro comes with 16GB RAM and two variants, 256GB and 512GB ROM combination, and an expandable microSD card slot up to 1TB. More info. The Android version is 13. The new 14T Pro smartphone is equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform. The update provides numerous new features and enhancements, such as a fingerprint sensor, under the display, ultrasonic, a gyroscope, a magnetometer, an accelerometer, a barometer, a Face ID, a proximity sensor and a far better battery life. Xiaomi 14T Pro release date. As you have already known that this is an upcoming smartphone, that's why we have no idea when this phone will be released. It's supposed to be out sometime in 2024, but we'll just have to wait and see.